Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install the SoFi app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course. In my case, I have the the Apple Store. So this will be made for the iPhone users. So now that we open the App Store, here as you can see, we have a ton of stuff. So we have the Today screen, we have the games here, we also have the apps, the arcade, and the search bar, which we of course need. Now, when you're in the search bar, here you just need to go and type in SoFi and click search. And here it is. You have the SoFi Invest. Simple. Click here. As you can see the rating, the age, category, developer language, and the size of the application. Now, then you just need to go down here and check out the reviews and everything, of course, if you want. And of course, then you just need to click on the Get button. You get to double click with your Face ID, and the application will start downloading. Now, when it downloads, you can go, of course, again and check out a lot of things that you have here, the size, category, and all of those things on the application. You can also see the reviews here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.